You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Item provided by Hasbro for review.
Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Today, Alyse and I are going to do a fresh batch of Lost Kitties. Now, she was really excited to do this video. She loves Lost Kitties, but first,
we need to say thanks to Hasbro for sending us all these Lost Kitties. It's also ages 5 plus.
Ages 5 plus. So let's go over what we have here. We have the Lost Kitties blind box multi-pack assortment. Wow. Now, we have opened up a few of these before. Mm-hmm. There are 20 surprises inside.
Okay.
Then there are the Lost Kitties Kit Twins. Point to those. Yes, those are the yellow ones. Mm-hmm. Who's hiding inside? Dig through 2 scoops of compound to find not just one, but 2 Lost Kitties hiding inside.
Okay.
Each pair of Lost Kitties Kit Twins belongs together and comes with a flip book to inspire a fun story of their adventure. Okay?
Cool.
And then the little bottles, those are called Itty Bitty Lost Kitties. Ages 5 years and up. Mm-hmm. Everyone's favorite Lost Kitties are even more #adorbs in an all-new size with the Itty Bitty Lost Kitties. The curious kitties may be pint-sized, but they each have big personalities.
All right, I'm excited.
So yeah,
I'm
what
really
do you?
excited.
Oh, and then these on the ends. Those are the smaller ones. Mm-hmm. Those are the Lost Kitties blind box singles.
Okay.
We've opened up a bunch of those. Lost Kitties have a mind of their own, and they are not afraid to follow their curious cat instincts into unsuspecting places. Kids will love to discover who's hiding inside as they open up each carton and dig through one of 3 varieties of shaping compound to uncover which Lost Kitties character they found. All right, so.
Okay.
We pretty much have the whole assortment, all right?
Yeah.
Now, what do you want to open first?
How about the Kit Twins?
The Kit Twins.
Yeah.
Oh, the yellow ones. All right, let's move some things out. We'll come back and we'll start with those.
All right, we are back, and now we are checking out Kit Twins. This is also Series 2. Very nice packaging. 36 to collect.
Ooh, there are 36.
Yes.
And you go, don't go so fast, www.lostkitties.com. All right, what else you got there? 2 times with a question mark, so you don't know. All right, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
All right, I will cut the plastic for you.
Okay, thank you.
I don't think we ever opened up one of these.
No,
and they're already in Series 2. Mm-hmm. Now, why did they not send us Series 1, Hasbro? Come on now. Our collection needs to grow here.
Right.
Ooh, okay. Tilt it so they can see what's going on. All right, ooh, nice. Okay, so there's that little book. Let me see that.
Here you go. A little
okay, and then what are those? They almost look like hamburgers or something.
They're like maybe ice cream, just without the cone.
I guess so. And then you've also got this little packet. Let me open that. Oh, this is the book.
So yeah,
because this feels like a book.
All right.
Here, you flip through the book. Go ahead and do that, and I'll cut these.
Okay, it's like a little storybook, so... Oh, it's this, I think.
Yeah, there you go. So you got your little story. What's going on? Tell us what's happening in the story.
Looks like he is cooking a pizza that is actually a cat, so...
He's cooking a cat. Oh, he's putting it all on the cat.
Yeah.
All right, let's see.
It's like those flip books.
You think so?
Yeah.
I don't know. It's hard to flip because it's been bent in the packaging, so let's just... Okay, you don't know what he's doing, so you kind of see a little cat ear there. Mm-hmm. And he's putting his little mushrooms on there. More mushrooms. And more mushrooms. You must like mushrooms.
Yeah.
And more mushrooms. And more mushrooms. And more mushrooms. Now they're slowly, maybe you're right, and they're slowly falling down, but it's hard to do this type of flip book when it's so far, you know what I mean? So deep in this angle, it should be square. All right, and then yes, there's a kitty sleeping, and there's mushrooms everywhere. And he's opening one eye now, saying, and another eye. Yeah, and that's it. All right, so that is the story. All right, you ready? Go ahead, you open that one, I'll open this one. Okay. Here's the compound. This very much reminds me of a Play-Doh container now on the top, doesn't it? Dig in. I have green and you have the pink. It matches the container.
All right.
Oh, and all your little accessories.
Looks like we have some ice cream or poo, like maybe a blue poo. We
Yeah,
don't
I
know.
guess. I don't know.
Okay. Some more.
It's sticking to my finger. I don't want it to stick to my finger. Let me get this out of here. Okay, I'm going to use this to clean up my...
Oh, that's adorable.
That's the one. Okay, so the booklet now, we know which one you get.
Yeah.
You got the pizza on his back.
Definitely
I
gonna
think
keep
this
forever.
looks like it goes on this. But maybe not. No? No, I don't think so.
I'm
Your
just playing
blue
with
almost
my
looks
Play-Doh.
like it goes on mine, but I don't think it's
Oh,
supposed
let me
to.
try. No, I don't think so.
All right, here we go. And I have the other one now, the chef, Kitty. There he is.
Aw.
Yeah, look at that.
They're all so adorable.
Yeah, you like these, huh? These are some of your new favorite toys.
Yeah.
Let me bring the camera right in on them so people can see.
Yeah.
Oh, pick it back up. Poor kitty. All right, so there's our accessories. We've seen some of these before.
Yeah.
And then we will now move on. Move these out of the way. We'll come back and we'll open up another batch here.
All right, we are back, and we are going to be checking out Itty Bitty Lost Kitties and the regular Lost
The
Kitties.
regular pack. Now, I did not show this from the last one, but that
Okay.
was the Lost Kitties Kit Twins. So there's all the sets of twins, all right?
All right, cool.
Now, I don't know. Did it say rare or not rare? I don't get it. They have little colored dots by them. What does that mean, the little colored dots? Oh, don't wait for me. Go ahead. I'm just talking out loud.
Okay, we need something to open it up with.
Oh, I don't need something to open up with. Come on. Oh, mine's paper. Yours is black.
Mine's plastic.
Okay, here we go. Okay. I remember these now. These are these little tubs. Okay, so not as nice packaging as the other ones.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, you have a lid. This doesn't have a lid. But I don't remember this before. Do you remember this before with the design on the top
Yeah.
of the compound?
Yeah, I remember.
You remember?
Yeah.
Oh, good memory.
Ooh, this lid is kind of hard to get off.
Dig all day. Dig, I have brown, you have white.
I don't want to look. I want to see what it is.
Yes, that spoils it, huh?
Yeah. I think there's a pull tab in there. Ooh, aw, that's adorable.
What's that one?
He's like all staticky.
What are your
The
accessories?
laundry. I did the laundry.
What are you? Oh yeah, you did. I have a
I don't
guitar
think I have any accessories.
and a hot dog.
Ah,
That's got to be in your compound, maybe. No? No?
no,
So there's no accessories with those little
I
guys,
guess
huh?
not. Let's see. Oh, the booklet is so tidy.
Okay, so I think we've seen this guy before. Or
Oh
similar.
yeah, on the box right there. He's on the box.
Is that the main one?
Oh, maybe. Alright, let's see which one this is. Alright, so that is Crinkle Plum.
I have Eugene, and he's got brown. Yeah, okay, so that is the color of the compound.
He's so cute.
I forgot that. How come you didn't help me with that? You're smart. You know all those things. All right, so who do we get here? Do you remember? We got the little chef and the pizza guy. So we got cooks and toppins,
Okay.
and green and pink. Yeah,
Ooh.
okay.
Alright.
So now you know which color compound you get with which character.
Yep, and then I have the white Play-Doh.
And then you get the little sticker, deal with it, mine says. A little rock star. He's got his guitar here and he's jamming. And then there's a hot dog. Okay, all right. So we've now opened two. What do you want to do next? Should we open the 5 times set and just go nuts and open them all up?
Yeah, let's do that.
All right.
Alright, we are back. Now we're going to be checking out the 5 times Lost Kitties.
Who's hiding inside?
Open here.
Open
There you go.
here. Go ahead.
Okay.
Wait, you didn't spin it all the way around?
I know.
Oh, you were doing that. Sorry. I interrupted her. Sorry to interrupt you.
It's okay.
One kitty from Series
Series
2
two,
is in there. So
okay.
this is Series 1.
Here's one, yeah.
But it does say 1 from Series 2. And is this
All right.
textured on the front? Can you... Oh, it is. All right. Very nice.
So.
Yep, and pull that down. There you go. Okay, I don't remember any of this. Okay, I'll get you the rest. Okay, brown. See, I don't remember any of this packaging. Do you?
No.
You got a better memory than me on this stuff. Oh, and here's the mat. So you got a big giant mat or a bag to store it all. Oh, yeah, I remember. So you have the big storage bag. You have the little accessory pieces. And lots to open. All right, go for it. Opening
I'm gonna start with this
frenzy. Yeah, just open it all up. Oh, mine's so easy to open. I got a knife, that's why.
Oh, yeah, this one's the special one.
Okay.
Because it has.
Who's hiding inside? We are going to find out now who's hiding inside. Got it?
Yeah, I got it. Okay.
All right.
An accessory. Looks like a little cat scratcher.
Those are all set for you.
Okay, thank you. Oh, this looks like a laptop.
You have a laptop. Ooh. I don't think we've seen the laptop, but who knows? This will be like our third Lost Kitties video.
Yeah. I think you need to cut this one.
All right, start digging out the rest.
Right, here you go.
Here, just put the put the compound down, and then put your sticker near it and your laptop. Ooh, wait a minute, I got to see this one. Go ahead.
Oh.
Yeah, look at that. What is that one? Precious. Precious. No, that's called boops. Boops.
Okay.
What did you say?
It's like precious. Silly me.
All right, you got more to open. Go. Come on, it's an opening frenzy. Make it a frenzy. Yeah, go for it. Go nuts.
Oh, I don't want to look at that one. I don't want to spoil it. Okay. Alright, we got a baguette.
So you got some more
There's some
breakfast
bread.
stuff.
Where's the other accessory? Is there only one accessory? I think so.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, so I have a butterfly.
Can you open that one too?
I have a little rocket ship. Oh, it dropped right out. Oh, we've seen that one. Yeah.
Yeah,
It's got the little.
It was a blue
That's Tummy Tum.
one. Okay, let's put it next to this one. Alright, next one. This is a big one. The motherboard.
It can be a challenge to get the stuff out.
Yeah.
Okay, so I got a little fish piece there.
Okay. Those look like just all accessories.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, alright, cool.
There are 20 surprises, so.
Ooh, this one has two. Oh, I saw that one. Oopsies.
You saw them both or just the
I
one?
just saw the one. It's like a yarn ball.
Okay, and I got a slice of pizza. There, that's everything that I got there.
Alright, I think that's all of that. You need to cut these two open for me, please. Here.
Okay, let's see what we have. This one feels giant, huge. Why is it so huge?
I don't know.
It looks like totes. Oh, that might be the series too. Hey, go ahead, open up the bag. It's right there. It's hiding in front of you. Oh, yeah, you're moving right on. I like it.
Oh, that's adorable.
It's a toilet.
It's so cute, though.
What's the toilet? Oh, flush.
It's so cute.
Okay, there's that one. Goes with the brown. This goes with this. This one. That goes with the brown. Wow, it's hard to keep track. Okay, so you got the taco
I
one.
love tacos.
We had that one too. Chomp.
Okay.
Chomp goes with the brown.
Oh, I remember this one. This one was in blue.
Okay, so that was your double pack there.
Okay, there's Chomp.
There's Chomp with his taco. All right, start bringing in everything else now. We're going to have a big display here. Okay, that was in the green container.
I put them like that.
That was in the pink container.
And then there we go.
Okay, and then what else you got there?
And these.
Okay, that was the one in the box. And that was the Itty Bitties Lost Kitties. Okay, wow. You got a lot to work with here now, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay, we did it.
Yep.
We opened them all, except for a few. We always keep a few aside, maybe for future giveaways or when we need to give items away or add them to a future video. Maybe. Again, we have a whole batch of Lost Kitties. Now, out of all of them, your fave? Yeah, I don't know. It's a toss-up between Pizza Guy and Toilet Guy for me. What about you?
I actually think I love the taco kitty.
The taco?
Yeah.
All right, I'll give you
He's
that.
adorable.
There you go. And thanks for watching, everybody. Later.
Bye.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave,
What's up, Butch?
make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.